Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to do a changing video with Miss Ireland Rain. We are going to change her into this little shirt that has bows and gray polka dots with this new pacifier, and some gray pants that have like cute little lace on the bottom. Focus. So it's really cute. So yeah, that's what we're going to do today. Sorry guys. Alright guys, give me just 1 second. Trying to get you situated here so that y'all can see. And the tripod. But it doesn't want to work out today. So I guess I'm just gonna hold the camera and do this one-handed today. So yeah, I think here soon I might do a video on I think I'm going to do a video on me, basically, about why I started reborning, because it's really not, I mean, I didn't start reborning because everybody else was doing it. I actually started it because of, just, I felt more connected with kids than anything. But, yeah, so I'm actually going to pause the video just real quick so that I can actually go ahead and get her out of this onesie without, well, hold on, I might be able to do it. One-handed, come on. Anyway, I'll be right back, guys. Alright guys, so I've got her changed out of her onesie, and oh, I want to show y'all something. So I made my own formula, basically, and all it is lotion. Here, I'll put it right here so y'all can see. So all this is lotion and cinnamon and water. The cinnamon gives it that color, and it kind of looks like she's drinking cereal, but I didn't put a lot of water in there. So if you look at it real close and you see the black specks, it looks like she has like the formula for with cereal in it. So yeah, I was thinking, wow, that looks really awesome, the way that looks. So yeah, I was thinking, wow, that looks really awesome. Because once you're doing your, see how it's got the bubbles in it, it's got everything that you need to make it look real. It's like thick, it's creamy. It just looks real. And I'm going to have a tutorial because I have another bottle. So I'm going to have a tutorial actually on doing this formula that I did. And all it is it's a squirt of lotion, the rest is water, and a pinch of cinnamon. Now, you do have to shake this, because if you don't shake it, it does separate. Like, the water separates from the lotion, and it just looks really funky. Looks like spoiled milk. But if you're out and about in public and you have this, it should already be shaken. It usually takes a day to separate. So, yeah. If you want to see a tutorial on how to do that, leave me a comment below. Let me know if you want to see that tutorial, because I'll be more than happy to do it. I do have to go get some more bottles and some more magnets and pacifiers. Because like I said, the magnets that I do have, they are, technicality is they are not working really good. So I'm going to go ahead and put her in her outfit. She is going on a trip in October. Me, her, and her daddy are all going on a trip in October, which would be great. I love it. I would love to go on a trip with her. I would like to go to the doll show, but I wasn't able to go this year. So, yeah. Of course, my hair everywhere. She looks very uncomfortable in this boppy. I need to wash the boppy so it gets fluffy again. So, yeah. But yeah, if you want to see a tutorial on how I did the milk, if you want to see the tutorial on how I do my pacifiers and just stuff like that, just let me know, because I will be more than happy to show y'all. She looks very